Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Christina. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to see who is the winner of my hidden giveaway. Yay! Now, the hidden giveaway is something new that I've started. So make sure you watch all my videos because anyone can be a hidden giveaway, whether it's Temu haul, collective haul, even swaps. Yeah, so do check all the videos because sometimes I will put a hidden word in there and that's the only time I will mention that. And all you have to do is comment and like and whatnot to be entered. So with that said, I had a Temu hidden giveaway and the word was Tuesday, which I love everybody's comments because you guys made me laugh. Some of the ways that you use the word Tuesday had me cracking up. So I appreciate all of you for your support and for commenting and entering into the giveaway. So let's go ahead and see who is going to win. And the winner goes to Stephanie. So you have 2 days to go ahead and let me know your address. I will put my email below so you could go ahead and contact me. And yeah, congratulations for being the hidden giveaway winner. And like I said, make sure you watch my videos so that you can have the opportunity to win one of my hidden giveaways. And like I said, thank you for your support. I love every one of y'all. And I love the comments. They were amazing. So with that said, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And please do like my video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.